Did you know a man once vanished for 18 years after killing his entire family, hiding in plain sight just 200 miles away? On November 9, 1971, accountant John List began his most methodical plan yet. He stopped the milk delivery, canceled the mail, and wrote confession letters to his pastor, explaining his crushing debt and twisted religious beliefs. Then he systematically murdered his wife, mother, and 3 children in their New Jersey mansion. List drained every bank account, destroyed family photos, and turned down the heat to slow decomposition. He disappeared completely, using only cash and taking manual labor jobs under the name Robert Clark. For 18 years, police had nothing. Then America's Most Wanted aired an age progression sculpture by Frank Bender. The clay bust was so accurate that viewers immediately recognized their neighbor in Virginia. When arrested in 1989, List had been living a quiet suburban life just hours from his original crime scene. At trial, he showed no remorse, claiming he saved his family from poverty and sin. He received 5 life sentences and died in prison.